Hello, and welcome to my how-to video. Today I will show you how to make a BLT sandwich. Let's get to it.
Here's what you will need. You need a couple plates, paper towels, a knife, a loaf of bread, mayo, bacon, lettuce and tomato, and a microwave. Put 2 pieces of bacon and a paper towel on a plate. Put another paper towel on top of the bacon. Now put it in the microwave. You can put it in for 25 seconds for extra crispy bacon. Once it's done, you can take it out and put it next to the other plate. Take 2 slices of bread and put them on the plate next to each other. Squeeze mayo on the bread. Next, grab a blunt knife and spread the mayo out. You can put it on both slices if you like. Now you can take out the lettuce and tomato. My veggies are already pre-cut and shredded, so I can just toss them on. All you do is put the bacon, lettuce, and tomato on the bread and put the top slice of bread on top. And you're done. It's time to eat.
Well, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the delicious BLT. Thanks for watching. Bye!